Apple has just introduced the new MacBook Pro, and it's more powerful than ever, designed for creators, professionals, and everyday power users. The new MacBook Pro comes in two sizes, 14-inch and 16-inch. For this video, let's go with the base model, the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Our model comes in the beautiful space black color, a sleek and professional finish that looks stunning. Compared to previous models, the new MacBook Pro is slightly thicker and a bit heavier, designed to support its powerful performance and improved cooling. Now let's talk about the display. The standard display is engineered to reduce glare in most environments, but if you work in bright lighting, you can upgrade to the Nano-texture display, which reduces reflections even more. When buying a MacBook Pro, you choose the chip based on your needs, your work, and your budget. Apple offers three powerful options: M5 chip, M5 Pro chip, and M5 Max chip. The base model with the M5 chip includes a 10-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine for powerful on-device AI. Next is unified memory. You can choose memory depending on how much multitasking power you need. Options start from 16 GB, then 24 GB, and go all the way up to 128 GB. More memory means smoother performance when running multiple apps or heavy creative tasks. Now let's look at storage. The base model starts with 1 TB of SSD storage. You can upgrade to 2 TB for about $600 or 4 TB for around $1,500. Perfect if you work with large video files, photos, or creative projects. In Australia, the 14-inch MacBook Pro starts from about $2,699 Australian dollars. The 16-inch model starts from around $4,299, depending on the configuration. The new MacBook Pro has arrived. Let's open the box and see what's inside.